it's discipline over motivation, I guess. And welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? I hope you all are doing okay. I am currently on my way to the gym, just waiting for my boss to get here, and I'm just chilling. So I'll see you guys at the gym. Hi guys, so it's 3:13 p.m. now, and I've been back home for I think less than 2 hours. I came home by like 1:48 because I left quite late this afternoon. I left by 12:10, give or take. I think I spent about an hour and 30 minutes in the gym, but I'm back now. I've just been doing some little like tweaks and editing on my phone before I went to shower, and now it's past 3 and I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm going to go and warm up some rice and stew to eat. I'm hoping that by 5 p.m. I should be well rested so I can film a makeup video for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. So we're just going to see how that goes, because I haven't filmed one in quite a while and I need to get back into being more consistent. So we're just going to see what the day brings. Hopefully I can do that before the end of today. So I'll see you guys later when I decide to pick up the camera again.
The next station is...
I think you can tell I just woke up. I'm on my bed. I just finished my morning devotion, but before I actually get up, I'm going to create a to-do list for today and also catch up on the last few days because I know I've missed quite a lot. And then I'll get ready because I'm actually going to the gym today, so trying to make it a habit to go on the days that I don't have work. I'm really tired. I feel pain all over because I had Pilates yesterday after a whole month break. It's even way more than a month, but since I did it yesterday, I've been feeling so weak and tired. But today we're going to push through the pain and go today because it's discipline over motivation, I guess. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done with this. This is a perfume sample from Billie Eilish, the silver one. I don't know what the name is, but I'll put it on the screen if I remember. And I wanted to smell it before I buy it, and I don't really like it. But I noticed like scents, you have to leave them a bit longer, so I'm just letting it simmer. So I didn't get like anything really interesting. I needed hand creams, so I got these 2 hand creams. I noticed recently my what's it called, my cuticles, my cuticles, they've been breaking. I've been having random cuts on them. I think it's too dry, so I bought me hand cream, and I'm going to dig out the bottom of my drawer to find my cuticle oil. And then I got a elf camo bronzer contour because I need a liquid bronzer, and this is a free gift from Superdrug. It's just the invigorating skin booster. I'm actually going to give this to my mom. I'm not going to use it. And then I got this lip oil, and it's so pretty. I think it's the dupe for the Dior one. I got that. I got a brown lip pencil and deodorant. So I'm going to be trying out this one because I've just been using the men's one. I don't know, I don't like the smell, so I'm going to try this one out. That's what I got. And I don't know if you guys can hear the music in the background, but I was actually listening to some Andre Rue. Thank you. My mom closed the door, so now it's less louder, but I was actually listening to some opera performances. I could call it opera, yeah, I guess so. I'll put his name on the screen. I don't want to butcher it. I'm looking for tickets to his concert, but I think it's sold out. He has one in Wembley in May, but it's sold out, and I couldn't get it fast enough. And I was even looking for Andre Bocelli, I think so, also sold out, so I missed out on that. But trying to really go out and just like explore a lot of my passions this year. And talking about passions, I need to shower and I need to film a makeup video today, so I'm not going to keep rambling. I'm just going to go and get ready to film my video, and I'll see you guys later. I lost my nose ring, that's why. But yeah, see you guys later. Oh, the sun came out as soon as I started filming, which is perfect. Anyways, I actually finished filming my makeup video a few hours ago. I think like probably 2 hours ago. But surprise, surprise, I went to eat as usual. I went to eat, but I'm about to start editing my makeup video so it can be up by tomorrow. But I love this makeup look. I love how my makeup is looking. It's so nice. No filter, no smoothing. This is my face as it is. It's not like I filter my videos anyways, but I love it, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Also, I have bottom lashes, even if they're non-existent most of the time. But they are thanks to Maybelline, and that is not an ad or anything. I genuinely love that mascara. I guess you can tell that I'm a bit awkward because I feel like people can see me, and I know no one can see me. Or maybe they can, but I'm just in my head. But anyways, I'll see you guys later, I guess, or tomorrow when I go to the gym again, because I didn't show you guys what I did at the gym today. And I was going to stay for ab class, but I heard it's been cancelled, so no more ab class in my gym. I guess I have to work on my abs myself, and also maybe when we do it in Pilates class. But that's my mini update. I'll see you guys later.